this is the Tailr, how cute is that? Classic pet tag in gold. The collar is not included. This is what it is. Very nice, high quality. On the back is the scannable barcode. So with this one, because it is the classic tag, you need to just clip it onto your dog's collar, okay? Very nice. Large gold, feels like the adult version of a pet tag. Very cute on the collar, but way more useful than a tiny engraved circle that really nobody can read. So what you need to do is you have the tag, that's step number one. Then you scan the barcode. It's going to bring it up on your phone, and you're gonna download the Tailr app, and you're going to follow the in-app instructions. If your dog runs away, somebody is just going to scan your pet's profile, and it's going to enable reconnecting the animal with the owner. But other than just location, it also has vaccines, meds, vet info, grooming needs, behavioral quirks, all the stuff you forget the second the vet asks. It is a hanging tag, so it works well with most collars without really measuring the collar width because, it just has to go on the clip. It also does have another clasp, but this is a complete pet system in one app. No purchases in the future. The only purchase is this tag, okay? And it's a powerful app that does so many things. No subscriptions, no hidden costs. It is emergency ready. It has health and medication tracking. It has personalized care information about triggers, calming techniques, favorite commands, anything you want to add in there, when your dog was last groomed, and lastly, the Lost and Found Network. Report missing pets to all Tailr users within a 25-mile radius. Everything your pet needs in one place. Highly recommend the Tailr Classic Pet Tag. This review was sponsored by the brand.